Tapos yung train namin, LNER sa may King's Cross. Tapos medyo nagmamadali kami, pero may time pa naman, mga 2 p.m. pa lang ata. Yung 2 p.m. pa lang ba yun? Mga 2 p.m. pa lang ata yun. Tapos, pagdating namin sa King's Cross, pagka-check ko ng ticket nung dun sa app, nakalagay cancelled kasi may taong hit by the train. Kaya yun, we had to go to Euston train station, which is a 12-minute walk. Tapos may luggage pa kami. Tapos, para kaming chance passenger dito. Pero okay lang. Yung coach na nasakyan namin, wala masyadong tao. So, pwede na. So, ngayon, nakaupo na kami. And instead of mga 7 p.m. kami makakadating, mga 8 p.m. na kami makakadating. Pero okay lang. At least makakadating kami. So, yun lang. Goodbye. Hello! So, andito na po pala kami sa Airbnb. So, here yung entrance. Itong door na to is, I don't know, para lang siyang storage room or something. This one is, andyan yung washing machine. Tapos, ito yung isang room. And then, this is the other room. And then, this is the closet. Yan. Closet. Toilet too. And then, andito yung isang bathroom. Yan. Yan, wow! Mas maganda to. Dito ako maliligo. Tapos, ito yung kitchen. Here's the dining area. The kitchen. So, yun lang muna for the room tour. Hello, good morning. We are in Edinburgh. So, today, tayo ay pupunta sa Dean Village. Yun yung one of the places that I wasn't able to go to last year when I went here. Tas gusto ko siyang puntahan ngayon na nandito ulit ako. And then, we are going to go to Edinburgh Castle ng mga 12:30 to 1, around those times, kasi gusto kong mapanood yung gun firing, which also I wasn't able to watch last year na nagpunta ako dito kasi we went to other places. So, yun lang. See you when I remember. Ayan guys, so we're here now in Dean's Village. Hindi ko alam kung sino si Dean or bakit niya naging village to. Pero, nagpunta lang kami dito. Saan si Dean? Tayo, hanapin siya. Dito tayo sa Water of Leith walkway. Hindi ko din kilala kung sino si Leith at bakit niya naging tubig to. Yan ang isa sa mga katanungan na hindi natin masasagot during this trip. Goodbye! So guys, ano na naman kayang makikita natin sa napakagandang village ni Dean? So as you can see, private no entry. Baka private kasi may sinampay na medyas and clothes. Lol. Napatingin din sila. Sabi nila, ano kaya ang natitignan nitong babae na to? Bakit siya napatigil at nag-video doon? Okay, yun lang. So this is Scott Monument. Yeah.
Loki!